Welcome back to another video, guys. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to build a website in under 30 minutes or less. Now, this video is actually going to be less than 30 minutes as we're just kind of doing a quick walkthrough. But everything that you're going to learn here is just kind of basic website building using the Socialverse website building platform, or also known as the SV Web Builder. So the SV Web Builder is a drag and drop system where you can come and build a website using the 50 plus different templates and kind of build a website off of that in under 30 minutes. And the beautiful part about it is you don't have to write one line of code. It's all drag and drop system. All you're paying for is the hosting, which plans start at $7.50 a month, which the SV Web Builder does have a free trial, so you can actually build as many websites as you possibly want for free without paying a penny, essentially. So let's get into the video. Now, I'm kind of in a different environment, as you guys can probably tell. I'm actually at my aunt and uncle's. I am dog sitting for them while they are out of town in Tennessee, so I'm just kind of filming that video here. This video, what we're going to do is I'm making this intro real quick, and then we're going to jump in my computer and to kind of do a screen share and go off of that to kind of show you more on how to build a website. So if you guys have any questions on this video, anything that I cover, any problems that you might run into, drop them in the comments below and I'll kind of get back to you and see what other advice and how I can help you. And then also within the SV Web Builder, there is, you'll notice to the right side, lower right hand of the screen, there is an in-chat support. So that means if you ever have any questions, you can actually message the chat team within the website builder, which is something that almost no other website building platform has. So you can always chat with them, the team, support team that we have. And yes, the SV Web Builder is my business, it's my company, so that's why I'm using it. It's something that's honestly underrated and is so powerful with what you can do building websites and funnels on our platform. And jumping into it, you'll see just what I'm talking about. So let's get started. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel as it supports. Let me know if you want more content like this or just what you guys want. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. All the links to Socialverse Web Builder will be in the description. And then also, if you ever are looking to purchase a domain or SSLs or emails, custom business emails, anything like that, web hosting, there will be a link to SV domains in the description as well. So let's get started. Alright, jumping right on into it, this is the SV Web Building platform. To navigate yourself to it, all you have to do is go to socialverse.com. This is going to be a little short, quick tutorial on how to use the SV Web Builder and how you can build a website for yourself in under 30 minutes or less. So as you can see, the SV Web Builder is a simple to use drag and drop website building platform. Start from one of our professional website or funnel themes and build your dream site without writing one line of code. So there's obviously pre-made designs, you can build funnels, A/B testing, in-depth tutorials within the Help Center. Next, you also have full control over the website design with our drag and drop builder. Now, let's go ahead and just jump right into it. I'll walk you through some other things, kind of like the mobile optimized website and the CRMs once we're in there. So to get started, you can actually go to Builder Login and create an account through that, or you can go to Themes. So navigating yourself to themes, the themes page will be able to see all the 50 plus different themes that we offer for you guys to start from. That way you're not starting from scratch. We're kind of offering a bunch of different professional templates for you to start from, and you can customize it from every aspect, from colors, the look, the layout, change it every bit of way you want. So if you're coming to build a business website, you can go to business, construction, consulting, lawn care, services, school, restaurant, real estate, photography, personal, etc., etc. So you click get started. Now, if you don't have an account, you'll have to create an account. But if you do have an account already, just click login and you'll be able to sign up or sign in. I mean. All right. So as you can see, we're getting started by selecting a theme. We're going to click start with this theme. You're going to name your new website once you kind of get it loaded. Let's go with website Design YouTube. So once you kind of have your template selected, your website name, you'll see this pop-up where you can pick up your brand color. So let's go ahead and just make it blue. You can upload your brand logo, and what this is going to do, it's going to automatically personalize your website to your colors. So you'll see and add your logo to the site. So you can go, you can also skip it, but click go to my site. And now we're loading the SV Web Builder actual building software. It takes a second for it to kind of get loaded since it's such a big software and system that's online running, and it depends on how fast your Wi-Fi is, but here we go. So as you can see, it automatically uploaded the color that I picked, blue, to here to key components. And then, like I said earlier, we have a in the builder chat support, which is like no other builder has really. So you can automatically chat with our team at any point in time if you have any questions or need help. And then we also have this help center located down here in the left corner where it's got video tutorials on walking through on how to use the builder. So getting started, going through the key components, up here you have your navigation where you can navigate through different websites that you have. And then here you have your builder, you have your store option, which is where you manage all your e-commerce, all your online orders, all of that type of stuff. You have your contacts, which is CRM, and then you have your booking where you can set up booking widgets. Here you have your dashboard where you can manage your account, add admins, your billing, cancel your account, all of that type of stuff. And we'll walk through all of this here in a second. Here's where this is kind of like the main builder section right here to the left, where you can see all of your pages that you have. You can add a new page. You can add a pop-up or page group. So a page group is like this, where there's subcategories within that page group. Pop-ups, like I said. And then if you want to ever add a new page in your builder, what you can do is just go to add a new page and then click page. And then here's all the templates that we have for each specific page. So if you want to add a home page, if you want to add a thank you page, if you want to add a checkout page, a webinar page, a landing page, events page, pricing, a membership type course, no matter what page you want to add, that'll all be here in this section. So let's just say, we'll name it there, and then you'll be able to come in and name it. And then inside of each page, you can add the page group. You can make it public access, password protected, members only. You can also edit all the SEO info and kind of go for that, but we're going to skip that for now. As you can see, I just added pricing to my website, a pricing page. Navigating home real quick to kind of go more in depth on using the builder. Sorry, the Wi-Fi is being a little slow today. But navigating my way on home, this is how our system works. It's truly a drag and drop system, so you don't need to know how to write one line of code. Now that being said, you can add in code to customize your website if you want. So drag and drop, just as simple as this. You can hover over different items and drag and drop to edit the layout of your site. If you want to remove things, if you want to change it like that, you can come in here and add new things. Come in here and delete. If you ever want to come in, change the colors on different schemes, you can come in and edit. You can add links. You can change the colors via this. It's really versatile, and you can do so many different things within this builder that you can't do on other builders, and it makes it truly super simple to use. So say you want to add in 3 columns, you can do all of that. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. Now you can see it where it says add block. Here's where you can add new blocks with the builder. Say I want to add a video block. I can do that right here by going to the video section. Let's go with this block. It'll automatically upload it into my website, and now I can come in here and change it all around. How I want it, the video, the text, the colors, the scheme, the layout, anything I want to change, I can edit through the builder. If you ever want to add new blocks, it's obviously as simple as going to add block and then kind of picking what you want to add, whether it's a video, checkouts, opt-in, footers, image text, call to actions, whatever it may be, you can add within here. And then over here, we have a widgets section. Within the widgets section, you can add different things such as text, buttons, menus, separators, forms, bookings, checkouts, store, donations, sliders, social media, video, code. So if you want to add in custom code, you can do that. You can embed code, you can embed videos, whatever you want to do. Portfolio, countdown, maps, blog, and more. Here's where you can edit the overall color scheme of your website in the color palette. And then editing, you always want to click Save Changes, obviously. And then editing your website. You can add favicon, social sharing options, and images. You can come in here and connect your custom domains, which remember we do have SV domains, and you can go to that by going to svwebdomain.online. Link will also be in the description. You can change the language and time, cookies and privacy policies, applications, so you can actually access your API key here. And then we also have MailChimp, MailerLite, Facebook Pixel, webhooks, Zapier connections, Moosend, and many others, especially through the Zapier. Personalization, if you want to add that, URL redirects, you can do that. And then if you're ever kind of wanting to look at your website, you can go to view website and preview it, and it'll show you what your website looks like. Now you can also see it on tablet view and mobile view. Going back to the builder, here's where you can jump. Let me stay and save real quick. Let's jump into the CRM that's provided with the SV Web Builder. So this is obviously there's no context in here since we're just kind of creating a website and getting started. But this is a CRM that comes with every single website and funnel. And essentially what this offers is you'll be able to add context if anybody ever signs up through your website, places an order, creates a contact, fills in a form. Their contact information will be uploaded into this CRM system. You can manage all the messages, all the forms that get submitted. You can schedule and create new booking events, and then edit your settings or customer properties, membership settings, all of that within the CRM system. So you can obviously add contacts. There's a lot of different things that you can do within here and add different groups. Now jumping back to this, we've got the full-in dashboard that you can go into the builder, and that, like I said, that's where you can edit your billing, your account, add people to manage your website, just employees, all that. And then you can also see your website analytics. So obviously we just created this literally minutes ago, so there's not going to be much traffic or any traffic at all to the website, but you can view all of that, website referrals, search queries, devices, browsers, storage and bandwidth that you have left within your plan, traffic. You can come up here and add admins. You can change your builder in the name. And then you can come in here to billing, which is where you can activate your account. You can change your plan. Then there's also a referral system. And then obviously your account as well, changing your password, changing your email, notifications, all of that. Let's jump into the store real quick. This is where you can set up an online store for memberships, or if you want to sell physical products or digital products, you can do all that through here. All of your orders would show up here, and you can manage those in many different ways. And then you can obviously add different products. So if you want to add a product, you can do a physical product, a digital product, a service, or a membership. For this example, let's go ahead and just do membership. So you can come in here and add a title. You can add a image, description. You can select member groups. You can create groups, price. You can create it on sale. You can create SKUs, subscription products, whether it's an ongoing payment, multiple payments, months, weeks, whatever you want to do. You can ask additional information. You can do custom pages, categories, and then it's just really endless with what you can do. Then within your store, you can go and create discounts. So if you want to do like referral codes or create a discount, whether it's a flat discount, percentage discount, free shipping, you can do all that within the builder. And then layout and style, this is where you can kind of manage your product layout with a store, your checkout page, all of that you can do within the builder to customize it the way you want it and how you want your customers to see it on your website. And then this is obviously just store settings. So this is where you can come in and add all of your details about your store, shipping, taxes, payments, checkout, and payments providers. We have Stripe, Braintree, to checkout, PayPal, Afterpay, MobilePay, PayU, PayStack, Authorize.net, PayFast, Klarna, TwistPay, Cash on Deliver, and Bank Transfer. And we're currently working on more, and you can actually do more through coding and adding in forms that you embed through third-party services. But that's essentially the store, just a real quick look over it. That's just a general real quick look over the builder. I know I went very, very, very fast, so it's probably kind of confusing. You might have a lot of different questions, and leave those in the comments below. Like I said, if you do sign up for the builder, there is the help center that you can navigate yourself to get help, and then there's the in-chat support that you can directly chat with someone to get help with as well. Once again, you got your pages, you got your blocks, you got your widgets to add, and that's essentially it when you're building a website. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I know that was a very, very, very quick tutorial on how to build a website using the SV Web Builder. That being said, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do kind of a slower version, a part 2 essentially of how to use the builder. I didn't want to take too long. I didn't want to make this video super long on building websites or anything, so I just kind of ran through it really quick, real simple, went through the basics. Now, like I said, in the tutorial, if you guys have any questions, you can always drop them in the comments below, or check out within the builder the help center, and then there's also the in-chat support. You can get all your questions answered there with our support team, and let me know just overall what you think of the SV Web Builder, good, the bad, if you like it, if you love it, if it's too expensive, too cheap. It's obviously free to try out, so the link's in the description. Please, please, please go check it out. Create a website, personal brand website, business website, just for free. Even if you don't have a personal brand, which everyone technically does, or a business, just do it for the fun of it. Do it for the sake of helping me out, I guess, and supporting me, more for giving me back feedback and kind of just helping our channel out, helping our builder out, and just giving us the overall feedback to make our platform better for you as the user. Now, also, don't forget there is a link in the description to SV Domains where you can purchase your domains for websites, web hosting outside of the SV Web Builder, website security, marketing, email, and then you can also get linked back to the SV Web Builder. The links will be in the description for the SV Web Builder down below, as well as SV Domains. Thanks for tuning into this episode. We'll see you guys in episode 6.